Introducing a new solution for 2019 to 2020 Hyundai Elantras, the 95-7399B. To start this install, remove the factory trim panel around the gauges and radio. Then remove the factory radio. Now with this kit, you will be replacing the factory knobs with a blank panel in the factory trim panel. To finalize this install, your wiring harness will be the 70-7304 if your vehicle does not have the 7-inch display radio, and the 70-7306 if your vehicle does come with the 7-inch display radio. Your antenna adapter with the 7-inch display radio will be the 40-KI11, and without the 7-inch display radio, you will not be needing an antenna adapter. This kit is painted a scratch-resistant matte black and is specifically designed for a double-din radio install. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.